Hi guys, and welcome to Coffee with Nadia. So today we are taking a walk. I'm with Gregory, my nephew.
Hi.
Hi. And then with my little fur babies. Louie, do you want to say hi? There's Leo. Louie, do you want to say hi? Louie smells my coffee. There you go. Hi, Louie. Louie. He's in there. They're together. So it's like 50 degrees almost here in Chicago, and since everyone is stuck at home, we decided to take a nice long few mile walk. And I just wanted to show a little river back there. It's just so scenic and pretty here, and yeah, that is how I'm spending the day today. So it's same hat, different day. Gregory and I are out again, and it's like 2 days later from the previous clip. And let me tell you, you guys, a lot less people are out, even in the forest preserve. I'm with Gregory, and then our little babies. Let me show Leo once again. He loves it. And then we have Louie. Anyway, it's just a lot less people out today. A lot of my friends in the city, they don't have the opportunity to even go to parks because a lot of parks have been closed. But I'm blessed that I live a little bit further away from the city in the suburbs, and we have, more open spaces, and we're further away from each other, and I can come out at least, every few days and do a long walk. That's why I'm getting a little out of breath. I think we're about 2 miles in, which sounds really bad. I'm out of breath, but hey, I'm back on keto, by the way, and I'm doing really good. So I'm just hoping to hit the gym when all of this is over, and just because I need to tighten up a lot of, muscles that I haven't been using. So if you guys have any questions for me, I am working on a Q&A video that I want to do for you. I did post an Instagram page where you can, or little link where you can put in your questions. So if you want to do that, go ahead and catch me on Instagram and ask me anything you want, or just, down below. So I'm sitting here, and it's absolutely kind of like cold outside and gloomy outside. It rained. It just stopped raining, but I took my Vera Bradley blanket and cozied up outside and just sitting there looking at my backyard. And it's so nice. It's nice to get out and have some fresh air, even in just, your backyard, but you're, just relaxing and chilling. Both babies are on the inside. Sergi is at work right now, and Gregory is typing stuff. So what a perfect little evening today. Back on the walk, there's the whole gang. Gregory, my hubby, 2 fur babies in there, and me. By the way, my nails are officially gone. I had to improvise and do my own nails. Not bad. I mean, my nails are like paper thin. So I really, unless it's gel or acrylic, I got nothing. So it's gonna be this. And I hope you guys are all doing well, doing good. We got gorgeous weather in Chicago here today, so doing a little bit of walking, actually a lot of walking. We're gonna try to put on a few miles today at least. So Louie, no! My dog is enjoying his time growling at people in the window. I can't talk, Louie. He is so serious. Louie! This video is going nowhere today. Okay, so now the growling has stopped. Take 2. If you see that I am a little puffy, I have been off keto a little bit since my husband has been home and cooking up a storm. He's starting a new job tomorrow. He literally just got the call that he's starting tomorrow, and we're so excited. So, yeah, so he's been cooking and I cannot resist my husband's cooking, unfortunately. So this is his last day of cooking what he wants before we get on low carb. And so that's why you see this. This is my keto coffee. It's heavy cream that I whip up with my little whisk. And then I just put it in here. I do have the Nespresso one, but it seems like the Nespresso one would like whip it and stop at a certain point. And when you try to do it, because I want a little heavier whip, it won't do it. So I started using that little handheld whip thingy I got on Amazon, and I absolutely love it. And it's just so so creamy and yummy. And by the way, if you're wondering about my beautiful hair, I'm trying to do hair training, and it is hard when you have oily hair. Quick question, you guys. For those who have done hair training, have you found that it's better for your hair? I'm trying this for the first time, and I have oily hair. So for the dry people with dry hair, they say it's going to be oilier, it's going to be good. It's like, you know, instead of a conditioner, it's supposed to help your hair grow better, your color stay longer. And I am like this close to giving up. I'm not someone who loves oily hair. I use dry shampoo. I don't know if I'm supposed to, but there's so much I can take, you guys. I don't know. What about you guys? Have you ever tried to do that hair training where you kind of, wash with a shower cap, I don't know. So we are fortunate enough. I know that you guys who follow me know that my husband used to do trucking. He was called in by his job where he used to work before he started trucking, and it's in the food industry, and he's a specialized mechanic. So they called him in the middle of all of this where, people are losing jobs. We are so blessed, and we know we're blessed. We're so blessed that he was able to get this job right now.
Oh, look at this filter. It's so cute. So today is Saturday. We have Gregory at our house, and something Marvel is on. I don't know, Captain America, Thor's there. All bunch of kind of people are there. I'm going to just show you my boys chilling over here. There's boy one, and then another one over there with the cat and the dog. And, yeah, a little bit of TV going on. The mess in the back that you saw that I quickly tried to go past is stuff from the truck because my husband's been stopped, had his last race. So basically his second home, which was the truck with all that stuff in there, came home.
Okay, you guys, sorry about that last filter. I did not realize that it was going to do the voice on there. Anyway, what I was saying was that stuff is from my husband's truck, and we're gonna have to just figure out where everything goes because a lot of it's double. It's like a lot of blankets, and literally he had a microwave we just gave away to a family who needed it, and so we have to sort what we kind of need to donate, give away, and what we're keeping. Anyway, so today's movie night, I'm going to go and just, I don't know if I'm going to enjoy whatever they're watching, but I'm probably going to be doing YouTube and answering comments and looking through stuff and watching your videos. But I will be there with my boys with some headphones on. With that being said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you want to see videos like this, I mean, I know I'm not going anywhere, but give me topics I can bring up and talk about. Maybe there's a handbag that you want me to discuss. Any of these guys, let me know. And these are dupes, by the way. These are not Hermes. A little bit of my background over here, a little eye candy for the background. Anyway, you guys have a fantastic day. I love you. You guys are awesome, and you know it. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.